All right, I have a good news for you. Nvidia is providing certification discount up to 50% using the discount code for the attendees. So, how do we get it? You got to attend the webinar. So, the curriculum is mentioned here about what will be there. And on the right hand side, if you look, there are the timings mentioned for the session 1 and session 2. So you got to attend it. Duration is 1 hour. Timing is mentioned. You got to attend as per your availability. So you got to click on the register now, and as per your timing and convenience, let's select it. Select the events. Um, let's fill the basic details. Then I'll click the submit button. Let's click on the submit button now. All right, that's what it goes. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they can avail 50% exam discount for their NVIDIA certification exam.